Welcome to our channel Sanjeev070. So in this video we are basically going to cover a new playlist called AI Tech News, and daily 1 p.m. this tech news would be updated in our channel. So in today's episode we have 4 to 5 tech newses for you all people. So let's begin without wasting the time. So the first tech news is, as we know that AI is penetrating everywhere in our everyday society, and the first news is AI is used in content marketing. So as AI is being used content marketing, the people are trying to increase their market share with the help of content providers and content consumers like as customers. So let's move on to the detailed news. So as you can see here in the website, we can see that the last decade AI has been significantly improved the content marketing skills over the people, and definitely it would transform the production skills. And this is a business insider report. We should clearly see sector that are basically involved in any content creation are the most at the peaker ones. So the content provider market share is being increased by 30% as the reporters needs, and this could be also definitely increase the measurement opportunities for the people. So especially for the content providers, we can do is they can basically refine the content according to the people and applying machine learning algorithms, and they can also use NLP processes to further decompose the particular and personalized content. Coming to next news is, AI is being used in deep learning such as military. So is it worthy enough to use AI enough in military? So let's focus on that news. So here, as you can see, the Pentagon, that is an US organization, is clearly using a deep learning technique for its military AI. So definitely I will be dropping the news articles links below in the description box so that you can also visit there. But certainly, coming to the news is, you can see this AI is being used in military. It's a very clear sense that we have been starting using it every AI in every sector. So basically, this AI is basically deploys deep learning algorithms and NLP processes, and the United States of America has been basically using this deep learning techniques in military AI. So they are basically used just for trust issues, and as you can see, they are keeping records by the various defense attacks for their defense purposes. But do let me know in the comment section that if you really want AI to be included in the military or any defense purposes just to protect our country. But seeking the advantages of AI, many people would definitely recommend to it. But I don't know how far the people would how far the people would be concerned regarding the robots involved in the protection rather than the particular man. So let's move on to third news, which is AI is being used in telecommunication. So telecommunication basically means the communication through satellites and geostationary objects, etc. So basically this is an on such object which indicates a clear significance of AI in every field. And as you can see here, the market share is also increasing, mobile revenue is being, global transport is also increasing. Okay, so certainly this is a 5-year data which predicts that $386 are been there, and its complete to developed markets is 385 386, and developing markets is 429. So this is being a 1.4 point percentage over than the developed markets. So let's read the further news. Here we can see, so this basically involves a telecommunication part of AI, which includes large data sets for the streaming up of data, for the streaming up of digitalizing the operations, etc. And the companies are mainly involved in AT&T, CenturyLink, China Mobile, IBM, Spectrum, etc. So yeah, Vodafone is also there, an Indian company. So basically these are the full report here, and we can see that overall telecom sector is completely dependent on AI. Just the main points is, just they can say the net promoter score is also increased. Company should also increase the analytics part, advanced analytics to improve the customer experience, and mostly the labor should be replaced, or the employees should be replaced by 57% of the AI transform chatbots or hybrid organizations. So going back to next news is, the future AI enabled marketing. So marketing brand is also been enabled by AI. So as you can see in this, AI is being taken with the help of marketing. So this is a HR Tech Space magazine which came up with a recent article. Like all the organizations are initially pushing up the AI for the digital works and labors, but this is not certain with the employees or HR human resource managers. So how the HR can meet the due to this pandemic, how the HR can meet up the challenges we're facing the AI. So this is basically one such organization like HR Tech, where people are again using the AI for the marketing, etc. So basically they involve some kind of challenges, but due to this pandemic situation, people are learning remotely to monitor themselves, their workers, their laborers, their employees, so that they could perform very well and the hike could be also given. And now coming back to our last news is the future of fintech. Fintech is one such company which is majorly involved in AI and blockchain research, and the future of fintech definitely depends on the AI part, because fintech has been basically used as one of the emerging sectors in artificial intelligence and blockchain. So this company has involved 75% of bank executives in called AI part. So I don't think so. This is basically a big intelligence that people would definitely recommend these people to switch for AI products, as it involves in banking transactions for safety, etc. But since it's a great investor, so definitely people would definitely shift to the transformations and transparency data management. So basically the fintech provides digital services to new companies, new IT industry companies, and for involving more transparency data management. So basically fintech has been using AI. So this is for the news are concerned. 5 news are been there. So this is the video of AI tech news. Let's meet on next video. Hopefully like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Thanks.